Well, hi everyone. We are at Hershey Park, Pennsylvania, and we are headed to Chocolate World right now. And we thought it would be fun to just go in and check out what kind of Christmas things they have at Chocolate World because we have never visited here during Christmas time. So I'm super excited to see what kind of holiday candies they have, and there's going to be tons of them. And we'll ride the Chocolate World factory tour ride and see if there's a Christmas overlay, and also just check out the cool merchandise and food. So I thought we would just go and take a walk and have some Christmas fun this holiday season. All right, let's head on into Chocolate World. And boy, it's crowded in here, but we thought we would start off our visit with the chocolate tour. And this is a free ride, and at the end you can get a free candy, and you also get really cool views of the gift shop from up here as well. And after the ride, we'll walk all down here and check out what they have. And it's neat, you can see all the fun things to do from up here, and it's totally decorated for Christmas. Now, it's really crowded, and I thought I would take a picture. It's 4:25, and we just got in line. And this is Create Your Own Candy Bar. You can see that from up here too. But like I was saying, the line is really long. I've never waited in line here at Chocolate World. We always just walked right on. So it's busy at Christmas time, and here's the line, as you can see. We made it, but it took us 25 minutes to get through the line. So let's enjoy the chocolate factory tour. And this is so cute. It's all decorated for Christmas. There's a little kitty up there in the barn, and all the cows have their Christmas hats on, and the barn is decorated for Christmas. This is so adorable. And there's Cupcake, the little cow, in her Christmas hat. And they have Christmas decorations, it looks like, all through the ride. So this will be fun.
Into the smooth, dark liquid used to make milk.
Make milk chocolate. Fresh milk is part of what gives Hershey's milk chocolate its delicious and distinctive taste. Part of my job is to make sure all of that milk meets our high-quality standards. Once it passes testing, we mix sugar into the milk using large batching tanks. We pasteurize and condense the sweetened milk and then blend in the perfect amount of sugar. Chocolate salt with steel rollers that grind and refine the chocolate until it reaches a smooth dough. To explain the next step in the process. These punch machines use different colors and color. Heavy rollers smooth out the refined crumb until you get to just the right texture and consistency. During the tower, you can mix it with ingredients such as California almonds. Next, we turn the milk chocolate into rolls and set them on a bumpy conveyor car. Then we send the rolls through cooling tunnels that solidify the chocolate. All of that fresh, delicious Hershey's chocolate goodness is finally ready to be packaged.
Love Hershey's milk chocolate, special jar box.
Hey, don't forget about Reese's peanut butter cups. My personal favorite. Everyone has a favorite. Mine are Hershey's Kisses chocolate. Looks like our packages are ready to go, and I better get going too. It's been a privilege being your guide today. Remember that wherever you go, you're never far from a piece of Hershey's happiness. So be sure to share that goodness with the ones you love. Thank you, everyone. Bye.
Well, that was a really fun ride for Christmas. I'm so happy we waited. And now we get to check out all these fun gifts. There's like tons of Grinch gifts. They have candy, stuffed animals, Grinch clothing. And then over here, they have all these cool gifts with candy. There's the Hershey Park characters with a bunch of different candies in there. Jolly Ranchers gift box. The candy canes, and then here's some Reese's peanut butter cups. And this is a countdown to Christmas advent calendar. I'm sure each day has a different Hershey's candy. And then here's giant Santa Claus Reese's peanut butter cup. My poor husband wants to eat this so bad. He's so hungry. And then over here is all the food. They have lots of different holiday items and all the little food areas there. They have, holiday foods and drinks, so you can check them out when you're here. And there's lots to choose from when you come to Chocolate World. And then over here is a character meet and greet, and it looks like the Hershey bar character is here. This is just a list of the times if you want to pause that. And there's Mr. Hershey bar himself greeting the kids for Christmas. And I have to show you this. This is so cool. Over by the character meet and greet, I had to walk around, but right here on this wall, they have all of these awesome Hershey gifts. There's Hershey Barbies, Hershey Candyland games. This is a Hershey chocolate tour ride. You build your own car. I thought that's so cool. And then over here are cars. They're Reese's peanut butter cars, Hershey chocolate bar truck, Light Bright with, Hershey Kisses. This is so cool. I've never seen any of this stuff. Jolly Ranchers, lots of puzzles, Hershey Monopoly, and then of course they have the Hershey plush characters. Over here you can get milkshakes and lots of good desserts. And as crowded as it is, there's plenty of seating and there's still free seats available. And then check this out. You can meet Santa Claus here and you can get your picture taken. It looks like one of the Chocolate Factory tour cars. That's awesome. Now, right to the left, this is the chocolate house. So we'll swing around here and I can show you the Hershey World chocolate house that they make every year. Okay, we'll go to the chocolate house in just a second because it's really crowded right now. So we'll walk around here. And this is a really cute display. I love all the holiday theming with the elves. And then they have all the good chocolates with the Christmas themed. And these are cute little baby clothes, Hershey Christmas baby clothing. These are adorable. So if you have little ones, they have cool little clothing, little onesies. And here's more candy. These are adorable with the Hershey Kisses on the front and just tons of candy. There's tons of candy here. Hershey Kisses. I love Hershey's chocolate. And then here's a cool combo. These are trees and Santa's, Reese's and Kit Kats. So they have a lot of combos here too. And over here they have s'mores and lots of other really good desserts. Peppermint patty, fudge brownie, Twizzlers, drinks, hot cocoa bar. So a lot of really good things here. It looks so yummy. And here's the chocolate house. This is the Hershey Chocolate World Holiday Chocolate House. And it smells like chocolate over here. So look, all these shingles are like the white chocolate bark. And the gutters, or like this part here, is all Kit Kats. This is so amazing. And the Hershey Kisses line everything. And then here's a display window made of chocolate. And behind there is an elf with a cake. So this is super, super cool. Lots of different candies. If you start to look close, you see all of your favorite candies on this house. And there's the cake inside. So this is awesome. If you're in Chocolate World, definitely stop and see the Holiday Chocolate House. All right, let's check out some more goodies here. Candy canes, peppermint patties, peppermint Kit Kats. Yum. They look so good. York peppermint patties are one of my favorites, and these are like snowflake York peppermint patties. Lots of Hershey's, everything. They have so many varieties for the holidays. This is awesome. They even have some leftover Halloween stuff. If you want to get some really discounted candies for Halloween, they have all that here too. Those are cool Hershey's chocolate shirts. I like them. And lots of different cups and mugs with all of your favorite candies on them. Oh, and these caramels are the best. I love those caramels. They're so good. And then they have Hershey's gingerbread houses. That's super cute. All kinds of candies for all kinds of tastes. Jolly Ranchers, if you like that sour stuff. Reese's peanut butter cups. And then tons of Hershey Kisses in all different flavors, all different colors. So that is so cool. And of course they have the giant Hershey Kisses here that you can bring home. And actually they have tons of Hershey Kisses in all sizes. So this is a really big store here. This is a fun place to shop. Holiday joy awaits, that's for sure. This is such a joyous time of year. And here's a lot of stuff here to look through. Hershey's pillows, Reese's peanut butter cups, Kit Kat pillows. I saw some Twizzler pillows back there. And here's the bells across PA celebrating Hershey. And I hope you guys enjoyed this trip to Chocolate World. This was so much fun. Look at this beautiful tree. It was packed around the tree when we came in, but I wanted to show you. There's the characters for photo ops. So have a sweet day. This was a really sweet visit. It was so much fun here. And if you guys are in Hershey, definitely stop by Chocolate World. It's super fun and a really cool place to visit around Christmas time too. So whatever you're doing today, have a great day. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you on the next one.